The JMS 4.0 EROWA process control system connects all data in mechanical production. It automates the data flow from the ERP and CAD/CAM to the automated machine tools to ensure full control and process reliability. It also controls the entire production process of your machines, independently of the manufacturer and technology. Flexible interfaces to upstream and downstream systems embed the production in the existing IT infrastructure. The transferred process and tool data are automatically directed to the relevant production cells at the right time and in the right format. The process control system independently and flexibly coordinates changes, such as an express order or tool breakage. The entire process can be monitored from anywhere and in real time, thanks to feedback from machines, robots, and operators. Dashboard and supervision applications show the key efficiency figures and current status of the production cells, so you can use them as a basis for post-calculation and optimization. With the JMS 4.0 process control system, production orders are carried out stress-free, on time, and efficiently.